Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Rancilio Silvia. We have the steam heat circuit pressed, not lycoside, will be ready. This machine came in with a heating element, cord. We went ahead and replaced everything. Usually heat up pretty fast. I'm going to check the steam now. Get a little purge. There's a nice strong steam. I'm going to bring a little water to the tank to temper it down so we can make the coffee. Strong pump. Anyway, we can see the lights on for the coffee. I'm going to take that opportunity and show you some of the work we did here. I don't know if you can see inside. We did all new wiring and connections and a new power cord. Set that back on. Still heating up with that fresh water. Oh, we got both tubes in. Should be any minute now. Pardon, I had to get a cup. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and see. I think it was nice. It's a brand new heating element. Nice little test coffee. Came out a little fast. But, nice chroma. Anyway, please like this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our page. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines.